Good morning, dzień dobry everybody. Just another day in Poland, right? So today I am in the Nowy Rynek. Actually, surround me is the skyscraper office building, and I'm gonna meet one of my friends here. If you still remember that last time I've got some meeting about project in education. It has been delays for a few days because summer holidays. Some of my friends are in summer holidays. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna meet her for coffee and talk about how is the the follow-up action. And yeah, I'm super excited with that. So this building is called Noble 9. You see some people working behind the glass door, corporate office. One of my friends working there, but what I see is that maybe because of this currently summer holiday, not much happening. Even what I see also, the workers here, they are on holiday mood or on holiday vibe. So what I see is that during summer holiday, people also still on a summer holiday mood. And yeah, whenever I said okay, I'm ready to meet at this time, and okay, everything is so chill and relaxed. In front of me is the children playground. That's the gym. And then I would like to go to the coffee shop or the canteen here. After meeting, I decided to have one soup. Actually, I order one hot cappuccino and soup. And this one is actually the situation in the canteen. So many staff here. Next door gonna be another building. And here is the children playground. Yeah, it's nice. And next door is the Ibis Hotel, Novotel, and this one is Noble 9 building. Generally, this is how it is. Already finished my meeting, and then we have the lunch in the canteen. And one is my favorite question so far is that when are you ready to start joining with us? I will say that yeah. Soon after my paperwork finish. Yes, this paper actually it takes me ages, but nothing I can do. This is coming from the government. So yeah, I'm ready anytime as soon as my paperwork finish from the government. When I walk, I look at like this. Oh my goodness. So cute, isn't it? So if you are single and you're living in Poznan, I helping you to find your mate here. I think find your woman here. Cool way of looking for a wife. So this is how is the traffic situation basically. And that's in front of me is the Ibis Hotel, and that's the next to it is the park, petrol station, Orlen, and car showroom. That's over there is another building, I think. So as I'm here in this business building area, I would like to take you to stroll around what it is actually surround this place. So it is on the weekdays and during summer holidays. Basically, what I see is that people still on the holidays mood. People travel, coming in, coming out. I think that in front of me is the Zapka headquarters. And once Damian told me like Zapka is actually companies coming from Poznan. And many of the, companies also coming from Poznan, like Allegro as well. And I think this one is the biggest office here, the headquarters. And that's Novotel, Ibis, and if you go straight, that's gonna be the Stary Browar. And in the middle is actually the park. And there on the left is actually the parking. And here is the tram. So where we gonna go? We will go to Avenida. It is very hot actually on the street, and behind me is the Avenida and also the main train station in Poznan. And this one is also another office building, and I'll show you. That's the park behind me, and this one is the Noble 8 Tower behind me. So we were there before to meet the lady. That's beautiful lady. I mean, she's nice, and yeah, we talk a lot and blah 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 and blah blah blah. And it's nice. And yeah, it's very hot, and now still have a few hours. I decided to go to Avenida Poznan to cool off my, to cool off my self. So yeah, let's go. We were there before in the Noble 9 Towers of Swiss, Franklin Templeton building, and I take you now. It's so hot. Look at the bright sky. And here we go to the Dworzec Autobusy, which means the bus station, at the same time the mall, at the same place the mall and also train station. Many people are traveling. Here is the Flixbus. If you travel by the Flixbus, your Flixbus gonna stop here. So I'm actually inside the Avenida Poznan. Actually this one is the mall and also ceremonial shop, and on the left, on the right, and yeah, I wanna chill in the Avenida lounge and while charging my phone. And yeah, see, so many people are traveling. There on the top is the food court. So yeah, this is how to cool off myself inside the mall when the heat is coming. Come to the Avenida lounge. Actually this is like a co-working space. You see, even in front there is a printer station. You can print all of your document here, and yeah, but the paper will be black and white paper. And the thing is that I can charge my phone here. Nice, so many charging station, and many people are coming here also just to work. Nice. And that's the coffee shop over there. So I've got one question actually from Indonesian friend who wants to move, live and work here in Poland. One thing is that if you are eligible, if you are certified, if you are professional skilled worker, and there is a company that can sponsor your work permit, and yeah, go for it. You can live and work here in Poland as long as there is a company sponsor you for your work permit. The thing is that because I'm married with Damian, so I have like family reunification card or something like that. So it is much easier for me to find a job, as long as I've got that card. The thing is that if let's say you just have nobody in Poland and then you have a dream, work and living in Poland, so it is possible as long as you are eligible and you are professionally certified. So I think that many there in the building where I was before in the Noble 8, I see that there are so many international workers there. When I had my lunch there, I also was introduced by someone else from Asian, and even down in the first building I see that there is one Asian restaurant there. So again, if you have a dream to work, live abroad, and make sure there is a legal company would like to sponsor you, just go for it. You only live once. Or married a guy, a foreigner guy who was advertised himself on the electric pole before. Just joking. Well, if you are married a foreigners, don't married foreigners just because of money. But married, I always said to my fellas in Bali, to my fellows in Bali, don't marry the foreigners just because of money. And once their money run out, you will run away. No, that's not like that. What I see is that like I am with Damian almost for 10 years, our life is just like up, down, up, down. So the real love is just like you are with him, no matter what kind of situation, but you still with him. So that's the thing. But if you have a dream to live abroad and you are having a specialized skill and the company need that skill, and nowadays is like easier with the technology, and but one thing, if you want to work and live abroad, and if you want to look for the certain agency, make sure that the work agency is legal, because I know that some of the people nowadays like try to scam you, or try to do a human trafficking, something like that. So one thing that my tips is that please learn about the legality of the company where you want to apply your work. And there are so many ways to go to Rome, that's the proverb said. But marrying a foreigner is, I don't know, any other option. But like me and Damian, we are married not because of for the money, but we are purely love each other until now. Why I am actually saying like this, because I know that some of my friends, they are doing online datings, or they are like there are nowadays so many kind of channels, so many kinds of option, like they are looking for the foreigners just to get the money. I know for that, but not all the ladies like that. So again, what I can say that just be yourself. If you are skillful and if you are professionally and you have a dream, to work or live abroad, there are so many ways. Even you can take a student visa first, study here, and after you graduate you can work here or in any kind of the countries. So that's the thing for me. I really like this lounge, you can sit, charge, and looking around on the left, on the right side, the shop. So window shopping at the same time. You can do many things. So yeah, that's it actually. So I was in Hebe, behind me the cosmetic shop, and one thing is that since I moved here, I've got I have to change my cosmetic as well. So I bought this product, and here what I see, because of most of my cosmetic is made for the tropical weather, and then since I moved here I have to change my cosmetics. So that's actually Pull and Bear, Bershka, Astra, Variaris, Foot Locker. Maybe I will go there to check the shoes. We're there, and then this one H&M, and this one nice place. So many kids here because this one is summer holidays, and that one also for sitting for the massage. Let's go home. It's very cool here. I mean, like the aircon is on. Outside it's hot. McDonald's always busy. Okay, there's in front is the train station. I was there picking up Damian, but we are not going to the train station. We are going out home. So that is actually the bus station. We were there before and walking. This is how it looks during summer holiday, people in and out. And now we are going home. Unfortunately the tram station still under construction, so we have to go there for taking the tram. Okay, let's walk. Oh, you see, they still work in the progress. This gonna be a brand new tram station still. So many people are going out summer holidays. Yes, that's another building, business district. This is how it looks like in Pasna. Yeah, we will go there because that is the tram station to go back home. Nice. Many people walking with the babies, family here. Yeah, we were there, Noble 9. It is centrally located. That's also, there is underpass if you wanna cross over there. Nice. See, so many office building here. In front of me is the park. See, wherever you go will be the park. Tomarova building. That's the park, and here is the tram station. There's a building waiting for the tram. Oh, we just arrived home. That was the tram ride, and that's actually a day of my life, my daily life in Poznan, Poland. Behind me, the Rynek Jasicki market. So I walk about 1 minute later on. So our apartment is there. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm going home preparing for my cooking today for Damian.